more than 10 minutes of time. All we are doing is we are changing here source is equal to SQL Server. We are changing, and same process will be going on. Okay, we are connecting to the SQL Server SSMS. We are creating a database. We are using the database, and we are creating some tables, inserting some data. I think oddly 3 tables we are trying to create here. Then we are importing the tables and do the same exercises whatever you completed in previous lessons. Okay, now I given you some questions also. You go through those questions. Time being, I want to copy the script, whatever available. Copy the script. I need to do inside the SSMS. I have to do it. Already I've opened SSMS. It is there, but this is Azure SQL database. It is connected. Let me minimize this one. I don't want it now. I want to make a connection to my local machine. To connect with the local machine, select here local host. Then Windows authentication is okay. Click on here connect. Now you see this is my local host. In the local host, I can expand the databases. There are so many databases are available. I want to create my own database. I want to create and do it, right? Click on here new query option. The new query window will be coming. Paste it, whatever you copied, you paste it. I want the database is equal to, let's say, Malati DB, I want to give it. So same name, I'm trying to copy it. Then paste here also, use the database we are saying. Create this database, use this database and create these tables, whatever available inside the data. Okay, Control A, select all the things and click on here, execute. Then it is going to execute and we'll see. Now we'll see we have here one database will be created. Right click on the databases, then refresh it. Once you refresh it, you'll see here starts with the M Malathi DB. Under the Malathi DB, we're able to see some tables, we're able to see it. DB, DPT, EMP like that. If you're interested to see the data of the EMP, select top 1000 rows, we're able to see 1000 rows, we're able to see it. You have 1000, we'll able to see it. Otherwise, whatever available, we're able to see that one. Now, here also same story. We are not here to create the databases, not here to create the tables, data and all. This will be done by data engineering people. Data engineering people. Now, how to connect to this SQL server, how to connect to this Malathi database, import these tables is your job. Is your job. Okay, for this purpose, open Power BI desktop. I think already it is opened. Let us go to this Power BI desktop. I want to go to the new file menu, new. Whatever existing already available, I would like to close this one. Let me close it. I closed it. And the chapter you are practicing is this is a chapter. So copy this name. I'm trying to copy this name because I need to save my file with this name. I need to save it. Okay, go here. Looks like it's already opened, but showing as it's untitled, it is showing. I would like to save this one. Go ahead and try to save it first. File menu, then file menu. Come on. File menu, then there is option called as save. We are trying to save this one. So it's going to the same location. Just try to paste it. .md you have to remove at the ending. In the beginning, notebooks you have to remove it. We are removing notebooks and .md. Click on save. Again, this file is going to be shown here. How much is the size? 12 KB is the size it's showing. Previously, MySQL you did it. That size is how much? 64 KB because you taken a couple of tables you taken and you worked something, right? You got my point?
Yes.
Okay. Now I would like to connect to the SQL Server now. To connect to the SQL Server, as it is a Microsoft product, they given in the top itself, they given directly you can use this button, or you can use this button, or you can go to the as usual way, get data, and here itself we have the SQL Server. Whatever you feel like convenient, you can use that one. Once you click on SQL Server, it's going to ask you what is the server name, what is the database name. For SQL Server, they also provided some benefit. Just you provide the dot. If provide the dot, system will think like it is a local host. Dot is equal to local host. Database names are optional. If you are not providing any database name, system will pull all the databases. It is going to pull it. If you click on OK now, it is going to pull all the databases which are available inside the local host. In that one of the database, you see here how many databases are available? How many databases are available?
57.
57 databases are available. One of them is multi database. Inside this database, we have a couple of tables. I would like to go with the one table called as EMP, second table called as DEPT. Click on here, transform data. Now, you will see here a window. That window is known as Power Query Editor window. We are able to see it. Same story repeatedly we are doing. So here, I am trying to change here commission column, whatever available, null with the 0 and add these two columns. You know how to do that one. I will do some extra thing now. Suppose I'm not interested in all the jobs. I'm interested only clerk and manager jobs only I'm interested. How I can filter the data here. Filter is the one thing which I missed it in the Excel. So let us cover here. Click on here, drop down. In the drop down, you'll see all the things you're able to see it. Whatever you are interested, select only those things. I'm interested about only clerk and manager. I'm interested. Click on here, OK. Then it is going to show you only clerk and manager data it is showing. As you apply the filter button also will be shown here. And also one step is added here, filtered rows step is added here. At any point of time, you can go and you can observe what you filtered is job is equal to clerk or job is equal to manager you filtered. Unfortunately, in the mlong ways, there is no in concept. In SQL, generally we used to write select star from this one where job in clerk comma manager we used to write, right? Here in is not there. That is the reason they're following job is equal to clerk or job is equal to manager, like that they're writing it. You want to edit this one at any point of time, double click on this filtered rows, then we'll get here equals to clerk, equals to manager, we're getting this window. Here, whatever you want to edit, for example, you're not interested about the clerk, you're interested about the salesman, then you can go and you can change it. Now it's showing as salesman and manager is showing. You are not interested about this filter itself, go and try to delete this filter. If you delete that filter step, then it is going to show all the data it is going to show. And this filter options also available different ways. For example, if you go for the date column, on the date column, if you go to the filter button, there you can observe data filters. There are many options are available. Equals to, before, after, between, is the next, is the previous, earliest, n number of things are available. Okay, you need to choose what is best fit for you and you have to apply that one. For example, I want to go for let's say after. Then I would like to select here the date is after 1981. I want to go for it. So go and try to select here 1981. 1981. It's very far. So like this typing is very tough. That's the reason select any one. After you after you select any one, then you try to edit it here. 1981. Then this is 01. This is also 01. Now, if you click on here, OK, now you see the data is after 1981 data only we are seeing it. After 1981 data only we are seeing it. Suppose not the 1981, 1982 you want it. Suppose 1982 has changed that one. Now try to edit it. Now you're able to see what is the data?
1982.
1982. It's very easy. It's very easy putting the filters, whatever you want it. You want to filter out some of the data you're not interested, you can able to do that one from here itself. Suppose I'm removing this filtered rows, I'm removing, you are trying to put the salary column filter, number filters, it is offering some operators. Right? If you see these operators, I want to go for more than 1000 only, I want to go. 800, 950, I'm not interested. Then you can go for number filters greater than, then I'm putting here 1000, I'm putting it. So greater than 1000 means surely you will not get the 800 and 950, you will not get it. Are you getting 800 and 950 here?
No, sir.
No. So we put it here filter as salary is greater than 1000, you put it. That's what 800 and 950, we are not seeing it. Okay, once you are happy with your transformations, go and try to click on close and apply so that this Power Query editor will be closed and you will see the Power BI desktop and the data will be loaded. Data will be loaded and we'll see here your tables, columns, you're able to see it. I want to know department name wise how much is my salary investments. So go and try to take here department name and salary, both the columns. So D name I am taking, then I am trying to take here salary I am taking. So D name and salary corresponding report we are trying to get it here. Okay, we got here by default table, we got it. I'm not interested on the table. I'm interested on the pie chart. Go and try to click on here pie chart. This will be converted into the pie chart. It will be converted. Pie also you're not interested. You want to go for the donut. Click on here donut chart. Then we'll be able to see donut chart. We are able to see it. Once you are good with all these changes, go and try to save it. The moment you save it, previously what was the size here? 12 KB.
12
Now
KB.
yeah, now if I go and try to save this one, then we'll able to observe backend. This data will be changing to 51 KB now. Whole KB to 51 KB. That means your two tables weight is these two tables weight is around 40 KB. We are getting it right. Click on here publish. Click on here publish. We are trying to publish into our workspace. This is the workspace what we have. Click on select. Then this report will be published. Once this publish is completed, we should be able to see here how many reports? 3 or 4?
4.
4 reports. We're able to see this is the one just now you pushed it. Just now you pushed it. And here we have the sorting options also available. Okay, if you want to see the latest to oldest, you can click on this one. Then latest one will be coming. See, yeah, this is the latest one. It is 25th day you did it. This also 25th day. This is 24th day. This is 22nd day. Very easily we can able to access this one. Am I clear? And at any point of time, you want to see the lineage diagram, click on here lineage view. Then you will see here just now whatever we did SQL Server related one. This is the one SQL Server related one. You did it. It is came from which database?
MultiDB.
Yeah, MultiDB. We used it and we created the semantic model we created. Then we developed the report we developed it. Okay, please practice till here. Tomorrow we'll cover the relation between data sources and semantic model. The relation between semantic model and report tomorrow we'll try to cover. Thank you.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Mhm.
Where do we find the recordings?
In our website, in our website.
Okay, so these current recordings are they are old?
Current recordings only, we are uploading this one.
Okay. Any password is there?
Yeah, yeah.